Hi there, welcome back. I hope you are going well. So in this section, here is this. You will see this. A lot of images will be missing in here. So better step by step, we'll make sure all of the images will be fixed. And how it's very simple and easy. So let's go to our VS Code and should take action. So here now, so first of all, we just make a category. Sorry, logo. So before fix this logo, go to our sidebar as well. Here is the sidebar and sidebar here. So we just make sure that's fine. Okay. Mm-hmm. Maybe first of all, I will check the logo will be show or not. Okay. Now keep reload. So again now, look at that. The logo will be showing here, and this is a similar process. All entire project image will be showing as same as well. So okay, let's go. Okay, now keep reload. I just make sure the similar way. The all of this. Look at that. This is the all of this image will be came in showing in here. So each and everything. Look at that. This is the template is fully responsive. I just show you. Actually, this template is very beautiful and lucrative also. So it's really mind blowing. So you can user can get a different experience, and I promise for that. So here and all of this once again, all of this source code you will be get into in here step by step. So don't worry, you will get all of these resources completely free. Also as well as our live URL. So our live URL is devexplorers.com, and here we will keep live our project. It will be help for us to making project. Actually, what I am actually build, you will get the idea for uh, after complete the project. You will get the exact idea actually what you will build. Actually is a real world clone. It's not a project. Actually it will be the massive. So look at this. Here is this our single restaurant food order system has the following feature. Look at the features. You will show the features and each and everything. You will get into this is a payment gateway as well. And it's very attractive. So please friend, I will humble request. So you will check and you will get the different experience of this project. And look at this project is a fully professional. This project is skeleton, and look at this is the card features as well. Is a real world experience you will be gaining here, as well as payment gateway, Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, and additional two payment gateway will be included later. So if you need this project, you can easily set up of your business as well. If you need the full project or full source code, so please contact via WhatsApp, and I will give you a full source code, and also help us how to installation and is and everything. So okay, thank you, thanks a lot, and let's see for the next video. Okay, thank you so much.